Hey guys, it's Asheli from Not Into Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Tea Box Express. This is a monthly tea party in a box. Each package contains 4 to 6 tea-themed items, including 1 loose leaf tea. Subscriptions are $25.50, but they do have a coupon code. It's Fall Flash 2018, all caps, for $10 off your first box. So that brings this box down to $15.50, which is a great deal. I do love this one. This is a lot of fun. Obviously, you do have to be into tea. But the teas are always really nice, very flavorful, and very well thought out. So we're going to pop this baby open. Here's our box just for you. There's a coupon code for Beach House Teas, so that's a probably a clue into what kind of tea we're getting, or one of the products is from Beach House, who does make very wonderful products. Then here's our little insert, win a free box. Share your pictures on Insta or Facebook with hashtags. Hashtag Teabox Express for the chance to win a free box and be featured on our page. So that's pretty cool. All right, I'm going to show you right here because you can look right down there. There's a bunch of stuff. All right. This is Cuillère de Sucre. Oh, it's a teaspoon. A sugar, like a sugar thinger. Maybe. Let's see. How cute. I don't put sugar in my tea, but it's nice to have this for when company comes over, right? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. All right, so there's that. I have like this weird chest hole. I don't know why. I don't feel good. All right, so these are tea drops, and there's like 3 or 4 in here. All right, so these are just like one, I guess this is 1 serving of tea, okay? And you just drop it. Loose leaf tea, no fuss, chocolate Earl Grey. A rich, creamy, and chocolatey blend of Earl Grey tea and cocoa. So you just put this in your bag. These are pressed teas. This is interesting. Pressed teas made with organic, genuine tea leaves that dissolve in hot water. Some sediment at the bottom of your cup is expected and drinkable. Huh, so no tea bag at all. That's so, less waste, right? So we got this chocolate Earl Grey, except that they're all individually wrapped, but you know what I'm saying. All right, because I know somebody out there is going to say it for me, right? Vanilla white tea, a white tea that's high in antioxidants and low in caffeine. And then cardamom spice, a spicy and sweet black tea that pays homage to masala chai. Ooh, and it's in a little star shape. They all come in different shapes. This one's a flower and that one's just a square. Isn't that cute? So that's cool. I love that concept. That's different. Okay, Asheli. All right, so we have, these are teaspoons. Oh, there's a whole bunch of things. Wow. Okay, I'm good with this. Oh, this is also from tea drops. So these are tea sprinkles. Caffeine-free, unsweetened glow. A glowing blend of hibiscus, rosehip, cinnamon, and tart cherry. So I guess you just... Okay, how do we use it? Crafted with organic tea leaf and spices. Each tea packet steeps instantly. Some sediment. Okay, so it's just 1 packet. You can carry these with you to work. And then you got yourself some tea. So this one is their glow. This is the refresh. This is a refreshing blend of golden turmeric, pineapple, and orange peel. So that's nice. And then finally, this is Boost, a powerhouse blend of matcha, ginger, and lemon. So obviously that one is going to have caffeine in it. All right, next we have, this is from Beach House Teas. These have these sugars. These are also, I ain't gonna lie, great for cocktail rimmers. They sent a rose petal one maybe like a year ago in this box. I still have it somewhere. I didn't use all of it. It's actually really hard to use a lot of sugar for me because I don't put it in my coffee or tea. But this is Fall Spice, infused pure cane sugar. So I'm guessing this has some nutmeg, cinnamon. Yeah, here we go. The sugar is infused with organic cloves, organic cinnamon, organic star anise pods, and if you look closely, you can see the little pieces inside, which is pretty interesting. Next, we have, oh my gosh, these are so cute. This is obviously an October box. These are from a couple of squares. We did receive for Valentine's Day. I don't know if you remember the February box. If you guys watch these videos, I've unboxed this package so many times. There were 2 little hearts. And they had little faces on them. So this one is a Frankenstein and obviously a mummy, I think, or a ghost. These are super cute. They're tasty too, but I'm going to pass these up to my kids. As you guys know, I'm doing a whole food diet, working out and stuff. So, but look at that little Frankenstein. How cute he is. I love it. All right, so finally, and our prize possession in this box is the chai box. All chai of full body balanced loose leaf, black tea, ginger, cardamom, fennel, cinnamon, and clove. 2 ounces. Hand blended in Atlanta, Georgia. And then they tell you how to steep it on the back. Inspiration, East plus West infusion, which is really cool. Read our story at www.thechaibox.com. So this is 2 ounces, so it's 15 to 20 cups. I will take that. I love the packaging too. It's very simple and minimalist. That's everything that I received in my Tea Box Express for October. Wonderful box, as always from them. It's always a joy to unwrap it. Unbox it, I should say. Ooh, do I smell it? I smell it. Good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.